I just spent all day coming back from the Amazon. And to tell you how much I like the Amazon, I'm going to take you on a boat ride. The boat ride begins here, where the Amazon does, at the intersection of the Black River and the White River. Together, they form the Amazon River. And as you take your boat through its waters, you will say to yourself, that must be heaven. The water makes a perfect mirror of the clear blue skies. The shy dolphins pop up to make an appearance, as the rain does too, because, well, it's a rainforest. But when it stops raining, you'll spot a sloth on the nearby tree, a shiny piranha under your boat, a bird flying over your boat, and a tree so big you'll think it's the biggest in the world. And even at night, the Amazon is filled with life. The Amazon is much more than a river going through trees. The Amazon is by far the most magical place I've ever seen. That's the Amazon. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.